Hi, I'm Sally. I've recently been promoted into a business development role. I'm super excited about my promotion, but part of my new role requires wining and dining with important clients. Dining etiquette, especially fine dining, is not something I'm overly familiar with. So when my boss asked me to organise an important client dinner next week, well, I started to panic. And the thing is, I know I'm not the only one in my team who could do with a little polishing of their fine dining etiquette and know-how when engaging with clients over lunch. Then a friend told me about an online store for training materials and business resources, including dining etiquette. And look what I found here. The business was able to conduct a dining etiquette workshop for me and my colleagues. And because the training materials are customisable, it meant that the learning was really targeted to our specific needs. My boss is really happy with my work and the quality of Facilitated Training's products. The client dinner was a huge success, and now I'm confident to be able to engage professionally at any business dining event. The Facilitated Training modules are easy to use and to adapt to our company's specific needs. The Dining Etiquette Training module covered a range of topics from meeting and greeting guests, shaking hands, the etiquette of receiving and giving business cards, table settings including fine dining, ordering food, cutlery, glassware, and so much more. So, what are you waiting for? Shop now! For more information and training materials, visit www.facilitatedtraining.com today.